Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, STEM Stella. And under STEM Stella today onwards, we are starting a new video series for the Cambridge A-level, O-level examinations. We are focusing on mathematics, especially we are focusing on past papers to solve the past papers questions and giving solutions to the past papers and giving providing understanding better understanding how to solve a question in the examination. So our this is that is our main concern in particular video series. So this video series is coming under the Gen Z Alpha Maths Academy. So today we selected the algebra. In this today onwards we are planning to share some kind of videos regarding algebra, the questions or the past paper questions and its solutions with you guys. So today onwards, today we are selected the Cambridge O-level examination 2023 May June exam paper part 1. That means paper 1. So we have a question in algebra. We have a lot of questions from algebra in that paper also. So we selected as a start. We selected the 40th question of that particular past paper. It is a binomial expression and just a bracket simplification, right? Removing brackets. So before that, we have to remember, we have to uh, memorize our past experience or the past things before we are moving to that question. So uh, we have to remember what is this component, right? We are called this component as a term, right? This is term. We call this as term, right? And also the digit or number in front of such kind of x or alpha or gamma something, we call this as coefficient, right? It's we call as coefficient. So that x, the nice one, nice fellow, we call this as variables. This is variable. We can take x, y, alpha, gamma, beta, anything for as a variable. So before that also we have to remember some kind of convention, uh, sign convention. When we are multiplying a plus number with a plus number, when we are multiplying a plus number with a minus number, when we are multiplying minus into plus number, right? We have to remember some kind of convention, sign convention first, moving for a first move before moving for that question, because it is very important. These questions are very simple and very helpful to score high marks from such kind of questions. It's very simple questions. We have to find out or we have to find the rhythm or the tone of that question. It's the basic thing and we have to understand technique first. So before that, we have to see the rule convention, right? Sign convention. It's not the rule convention, sign convention, right? So if think, let's say we are multiplying positive number 5 or something else with another positive number, let's say it's also 5. So according to that sign convention, plus plus, always the output number is always should be plus. Here it's plus 25, right? So let's say a negative number, minus number, is multiplying with another negative or minus number. It is the output is positive, right? Very simple. And let's say a minus number, let's say minus 2. Minus 2 is multiplying with positive 4. We are multiplying with positive 4. So output is, what is the output? 2 into that minus sign into positive means the output is always negative, or the minus value. 2 into 4 is 8. So minus 8. So another 4, let's say minus positive 3 into minus 2, it is also minus value, that is minus 6. So we should remember that connection or the convention. That is a simple summary. Rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3 about the sign convention. So that same scenario is happen when we are making a division also. So let's say we are make a division for minus 4 divide by minus 4. It is also same as it is in the multiplication. Both are same, minus minus. Minus divide by minus is always positive, right? Positive number, let's say positive 4 divide by positive 4, right? It's also what? Positive number, positive 1, right? This is division, right? So let's see, uh, positive 4 we are going to divide by negative value minus 1. So here in that scenario, the sign of the final answer, it should be minus 1, minus value. 4 divided by plus 4 divided by minus 1 is minus 4. Answer is that, or output is minus value, right? It's minus. You have to remember that. And also, if you think that uh, minus 4 divided by plus 1, so answer is minus 4. So these are basics. So you have to remember those basics when you are doing such kind of questions, right? Right. So this is the summary. Always same signs make positive when we are doing the multiplication or division, and also different signs when we are simplifying such or the solving questions with different signs, it's become always negative, right? For both multiplication and division, it is same, right? So our let's move to our question 40. That is part, that is paper number 1, question number 14, 2023, main June, right? A part, 2 marks question, right? So it is very simple one. 5, we have bracket, inside the bracket 3x minus 2, right? Minus 3 minus is plus 2x, right? That is the question. So what is the technique that we have to follow when we are uh, simplifying that question? We have to remove the brackets and we have to simplify the uh, question, right? So first, remember how to multiply. So we have a 5, number 5 outside the first bracket, and that is with the a number without a sign. We always consider as that number or without sign is always positive number, right? It's a thumb of rule, right? In that scenario, in that second bracket, we can see we have a minus number, minus 3. So let's simplify or the remove. Let's remove the bracket. So we have to multiply 5 from this term, the 3x1, and another minus 2, right? Same as it is. Minus 3 should be multiplied by 2x, and minus 3 should be multiplied by another minus 3. So let's do 5 into 3x. Let's write this 5 into 3x. Both are plus. We previously we marked this number as positive or the plus 5. So plus 5 multiplied by that also plus, right? Plus 3x, right? Then after 5 into what? 5 into 2. 5 into 2 multiplication. Different signs, right? This is for number 1 bracket. And also here that number is minus 3. So we can say, we can write 3 into no sign in front of that term 2x. So we can say it is a plus number. So we can write plus 2x, right? So here uh, again minus 3 into minus 3. All right, these are the components we have to simplify. So 5 into 3, we can say 5 into 3 means 15. 5 into 3, so variable is say remaining same. So 15x. Here 5 into 2, the sign convention, plus 5 into minus 2. Plus into minus means it's always minus. We can write 10, right? So here 3 into 2x, but what? Minus 3 into plus 2x. So minus into plus means it is it's a uh, minus value and minus 6x. Here what's happened? Minus into minus. That one, rule number 2, right? Not a rule number 2. It is rule number 4. Sorry. Minus into minus is plus 9. So we have now brackets are removed, right? So here we have to do another magic or another thing, another step. So check the terms and numbers. So these terms are equal, their variables are equals. So xx, and their coefficients are different, 15 and 6x. But variables are same. So we can subtract 15x from, we can subtract 6x from plus 15x. So answer is 9x. Here say minus 10 and plus 9. So minus 10 has highest magnitude, and that means minus 10 plus 9, that means minus 1. So 9x minus 1 is the answer for the first part of 40th question, 14th question, right? So 9x minus 1. Very easy. So second question is binomial expression, right? Don't be panic. In most of cases, sometimes students are panic with the binomial. Very easy questions. If you know the basic, it's very easy question, right? Right. This is the question. So we have to remove the brackets, right? We have to expand that. So please remember, this is the technique. We have to first, let's say this bracket and this bracket, we have to multiply the first component or the term inside the first bracket with the second bracket components, right? So like that, to follow the lines, 2x into x, right? And also we have to multiply second element of the second bracket from the first element of the first bracket, 2x into x, 7 minus 7, right? So the second number, second component of the first bracket, again we have to follow the same rule. We have to multiply that one, first component of the second bracket, and we have to multiply second component of second bracket. So you have to follow this technique, this line system, when you are doing such kind of question, right? It is very important. So let's say, so 2x should multiply with x. You can write that 2x multiplied by x, right? First one. So again 2x should multiply what number? Minus 7 is minus 7. Always that number, uh, a number or the digit without a sign, it's always considered as positive number. So we can say positive, right? 2x into here 7. So we are moving to second round. 3 into x, it is also plus, this is also plus. We can say 3 into x, all are plus, right? 3 into x. And second one, 3 into what? Minus 7. These are the techniques that you have to, these are the steps that you have to follow, right? So 2x into x, right? Indices law. We will discuss the indices laws in next videos. So basically think that, uh, basically let's say 2x, we know that indices 2x into x into x mean x squared, right? Same basis. So indices are adding x into x squared, and 2x into minus 7, that is plus one number, plus into minus, plus into minus always minus 14x, plus into minus 14x, right? That is sign convention. Remember this one, that plus number multiplied with minus number, it is always produced or output is minus number, right? So here 3 into x both are positive. We can say 3x, 3 into x, 3x no, 3x is positive, right? So now last one, 3 into minus 7. Here also that rule number 2, 3 into minus 7 means minus, positive into minus, it minus, so 3 into 7, 21, right? So we can solve or we can simplify right now because we have terms with same variables here. So 2x squared, final answer is 2x squared, right? Minus 14x plus 3x. So the signs are opposite. The 14x plus 3x means it is 11x. The sign should be minus because minus value has high magnitude. So we can write minus 11x, right? So last one is remaining as it is 21, right? Very simple question. So easily you can get 2 marks for each questions and altogether 4 marks. Easy. It's not take much time if you are practice very well these binomial expressions and these expansions. First thing or the basic things should you have to know the sign convention you have to know and the technique how to multiply those two brackets, especially binomial expressions, right? And after that the simplification, right? Sign conventions you have to remember, basic things, right? Basic 3 4 things when we are doing such kind of question. It is very easy one. So guys, I additionally attached some questions regarding binomial expressions and bracket removals. You can do it in your home and you can share via the WhatsApp 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 number mentioned here, and also you can put the answers into our inbox also. Thank you very much, guys.